Hi viewers, welcome to our channel, an Umbrella Tech. Let's start the topic. Generally in WhatsApp, you are facing the problem. You cannot send or it won't allow any message to forward the things more than 5 people because of some security and spam and restriction of the spam and all. It is restricted to 5 people. So I will tell you the simple tip so that you can send n number of people and with a limit of group of people up to 256 numbers. If you are added in a group, you will get to know that you are in a group, so everyone will be visible. Here you will be creating your own list of the people with a set of 256 numbers, so that I can say, for example, in any festival season, if you want to forward one wishes, that time it will be very much useful to you. At present, you will be getting the error like that. You can only share the people up to 5 charts only. So further thing, the solution is, so go to WhatsApp. You will see charts, updates, calls over there, and click on the 3 dots. Then click on the new broadcast. For example, for explaining this thing, I have selected 9 contacts over here, 9 out of 256 you will see, but you can select up to 256 per list. Okay, that's it. Upon selecting these things, click on the right button at the corner, then it will be created like this, 9 recipients without name. So you need to give a name so that it will be easy to you to find out the list that you have selected alphabetical order A to C or A to D, whatever it may be. Like that you can name it. Further thing, better name it. So to give the name to there, click on the 3 dots and click on the broadcast list info. Then it will open like this. Then again click on the 3 dots and click on the change broadcast list name. Then give the name. For example, as I said, I have taken like list 1, A letter to C letter I am giving. So that next list you can give like D to F like that, G to M like that you can give it. So that list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4 you can send or forward your messages. It is only to simplify your things and arrange in a proper way. It is better to give the broadcast list names like this. Then upon that you can click on done or OK button. It will be created like the broadcast list is list 1 A to C. I have created like this. From there type any message, it will reach to 9 members, or that is up to 256 members at a single click.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's useful. So please like and share to be a part of sharing knowledge to reach more people. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to give your valuable feedback on comment section below to improve our self in coming future.